like to especially praise the beautiful performance of the children who came just now on the stage. Very well done. It was a wonderful show. Honorable Principal Colonel Nusrat Kazmi Sahab, most respected Madam Shama Ali, Executive Vice President, Chandbagh Foundation, Honored Mr. Umar Jilani Khan, Establishment Advisor, Chandbagh Foundation, distinguished faculty of Chandbagh School, guests, ladies and gentlemen, I avail of this opportunity to place on record some concluding thoughts. At the outset, I would like to thank and express our most sincere and deep gratitude to the respected and honored faculty that was involved in the grooming of all the teachers of Danish School. Our gratitude goes to Mr. Khurshid Yusuf, Dr. Rauf Azam, Mr. S.N. Bashir Sahab, and of course, Madam Shama Ali. The team of the Research and Development Center wholeheartedly worked for the establishment of the faculty of Danish School on concrete lines so that as the system gets launched, we are in a position to display our skills in the school and perform in the best possible manner. To all the honored faculty members of Research and Development Center, we owe our sincere gratitude. Thank you very much, sir, for all that you have done for us. Now, coming to my experiences, it was a Friday, a day of blessings for Muslims, when I, as per my good or bad habit, I don't know, arrived earlier than my time. It was 24th September 1949 when I first made this mistake, and much before my arrival, actual time, I arrived in this world. That habit continues, madam, to this day. Anyhow, tomorrow when we complete our training and exit, today in fact we have completed, hopefully. Tomorrow we exit from here. It so happens it's again a Friday. On 26th November, inshallah, when the students of Danish School arrive at the respective campuses, it will again be a Friday. So, on this solemn and blessed day, I pray that we launch a program which has such tremendous potential, not only for the people of Punjab, but we pray that in times to come, it will spread in other provinces of our beloved homeland. Chandbagh as the location of our training, I think it was destined in that way. It's a place where we made a new discovery for ourselves, and in the process of the training time, we have learned many things. And tonight, I speak for all Danish School team members, the participants and my colleagues, the headmasters and the headmistress, when I say with full confidence that we today go much stronger than what we were when we arrived here. It is said that Julius Caesar, on reaching Egypt, said, "I came, I saw, and I conquered." Now Caesar was a Roman, so he could not have spoken English. So with due apologies to Mr. Shakespeare, who attributed these lines to Caesar, I would actually like to speak in the mother tongue of Julius Caesar, and he must have surely spoken Latin. In Latin, he would have said, "Veni, vidi, vici," which means the same thing. Instead of "I," that is Caesar, we learned in this training that "we" is better than "I." And this learning is not a simple thing. It means a complete change in attitude. So we, the Danish people, came here, we saw, and we came, we saw, and we were conquered. We did not conquer, we were conquered. Sandbach, to use a double metaphor, is a land rich in harvest, and all around you see bumper crops. We accordingly have harvested a bumper crop of knowledge and wisdom. We received everything in excess. There was a surfeit of love, care, magnanimity, and attention. The toil of our honorable supervisors and the hard work of the participants will inshallah bear fruit. In this time, we have been exposed to a very modern, forward-looking and dynamic grooming and training program. The simple gestures of clapping in the class, of learning to smile, were major innovative changes. And these changes came about because of a truly democratic and free atmosphere in the training situation. Every participant was given full opportunity to express himself and herself without any fear, without any inhibitions, and I think that was a tremendous effort. This will ultimately help us in what is envisioned in the Danish program as project-based learning. We have taken many steps in this particular course which will help us when we go to our campuses and actually try to implement the project-based learning program. As a part of the training, I don't know why, but I think for good reason, I sang a song. I would not like to sing right now because you have to go tomorrow and I wouldn't like anyone to run away. However, old habits die hard. So I will say a few lyrics but not sing complete. It's again a song of childhood which was very popular once upon a time. Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss of spring. My summer wine is really made from all these things. The supervisors and the faculty were the strawberries of our course. Succulent, full of juice, nectar of honey. They were the ones who inspired, and it was at their fountain that we drank deep. The course participants were the cherries, young, inspiring and full of zest, and the angel's kiss of spring was one and only Madam Shama Ali. To all these three aspects of training, I'm sure we together will be going towards the program which has been laid down for us, and it is my prayer that the noble cause for which the program has been launched, may Allah bless this program and also bless the person and the people who conceived and have given the vision for this program. This is a vision and a program which goes beyond ordinary matters. And I pray to Allah that we succeed completely. Before I finally say goodbye, I would like to take the liberty of expressing one small gila keh liya, with all warmth of heart I make this small reservation. As the course was about to conclude today, the concluding line of Madam Shama was directed towards the ladies of our course, and she asked the girls to come a little early so that she could enjoy the dress that they would be wearing. She forgot that the poor boys, among whom I also happen to be one, I actually bought, madam, this tie, which you can, this not just the tie but the shirt, the red shirt with the black stripes, only for this last concluding function. And my other two very close colleagues, they are also wearing brand new suits only for this evening, Mujahid and Mirza Yasin. So we all like to wear clothes, and Madam Headmistress, I'm sure she too is dressed for the occasion. So the headmasters and the boys, they too have been equally involved in everything as is there in the dresses. There are so many pleasant and lovely memories, and that is what training is all about. We'll take these memories with us, and as we begin a new phase of life, we'll remember you always. And whenever you feel for us, you will be most welcome at our places. With all the warmth in our heart, we'll receive you and always be of gratitude to you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.